Pagpapapayat? Nilo, hindi siya sekreto. I always go on live. Yeah, I just do diet and workout. For more almost a year now. That's it. Basically, that's it. Not a secret. Because my viewers always know that. Thank you sa gifts. Teka lang mga beha, medyo madugo kasi itong pagpipin eh. Ito na lang. Buti man, di naglagas hair mo nung nagpapapayat ka po. Nagkaroon ako ng excessive hair loss. Pero I made a TikTok video about it. May product akong ginamit. Maliban sa naggamot tayo. Check mo, meron dyan sa profile ko. Let's go. Thank you sa gifts. Lodi ko to sa sayaw noon. Sino to? Andrea Paglia. Thank you. Thank you sa follow. Thank you, Jobski. Ikaw lang naman yung nagli-lead ng warm-up back in CEU days. Oh, CEU! Hello! Hindi kita ma-recall. Sorry, dear. Thank you sa gift. Sino to? Sorry, Andrea. Hindi kita ma-recall. Salamat sa gifts. Favorite. I love this song. Loco. No, pera lang yan. Loco. Te muna ko ng pera lang yan. Loco. Te muna ko na pera. Loco. Te muna ko na pera. Loco. Te muna ko na pera. Loco. Tamo na una pera.
Ando con mi tenis por la para, fumando marihuana, me dice que lo que pasa es loco. Yo ando con mi tenis por la para, fumando marihuana, me dice que lo que pasa es loco. Su fácil un copo, yo no quiero tu toto, lo tienen muy roto, bebé. Loco, su fácil un copo, yo no quiero tu toto, lo tienen muy roto, bebé. Me dijeron que tú eras menor, que yo era mayor, que tú, que yo.
Babaan nga natin, masyadong napakataas nitong... Teka lang ang taas-taas. Ngayon ko lang na-realize, ang taas-taas pala nung phone stand. Baba kayo. Tamo na una pera. Loko. Tamo na una pera. There. So ako ngayon ay nagpipin kasi para mabilis, para tuloy-tuloy yung pagtahi. Excuse me. Point 8 na lang ako. Ay! Oh my God! I forgot to tell you guys. Ano, Claire? Claire. Claire. Nakuha ko na. Nakuha ko na. Bagong pantalon na ako ngayon, Claire. Kala mo. Nakuha mo na ulit? Hindi. Hindi ko ba nasabi sa'yo, Erel, na nakuha ko na yung second na pantalon? Hindi, nasabi ko na sa'yo eh. Nasabi ko na sa'yo, Erel, di ba? Remember, piniem kita kasi nga kailangan ko nung points, kaya pinapalaro kita. Ako, 0.30 pa din. Malapit na. Ako, I think I'm already at parang 0.50 something. Yeah. Pero ano ko na yon, third item ko na yon. Malapit na ako. Oh. Go, laban mo yan, Claire. Gravidad. Nakakaaliw, di ba? Swear. Kaya nga sabi ko nga sa inyo, di ba? Ang dami kong nahihikayat na maglaro nun. Because it's really, really good. Sa mga nag-wonder dyan, tawag dito, hello 56 viewers, good afternoon. So sa mga nag-wonder dyan, kung ano pinag-uusapan namin ni Erel at ni Claire. So, there's this game on the app, Nyiin. Tapos, dun sa game na yon, it's para lang siyang, ano siya eh, tawag dito, you're just gonna feed a dog. Ganun lang siya. And then, eventually, pag natapos mo yung game, you will get the item, you will get a free item. Tapos yung free item na yon, ikaw yung mamimili mismo before you start that game. So ako, nakadalawang pantalon na ako, and I'm on my third jeans. Nasa third pair ko na ng jeans. Let me show you. Wait lang. Tingnan nyo, guys. It's so good! Gago, ganda! Tas ang kapal niya, like legit. That pair of jeans is worth 1,600 pesos. Ayan. So, no, that's not ukay. That's from Shein. So, yun yung price na pinili ko before, yun yung second prize na pinili ko. So, nakuha ko na siya. Kasi natapos ko na yung game. And I'm on my third pair of jeans. How po? Hindi siya tawag dito, this is not like, ang tawag doon, hindi siya budol. Kasi, teka nga, let me pause. Kasi, hindi nyo alam, yung mga apps, di ba pansin nyo, yung mga apps, yung mga, tawag dito, yung mga shopping apps, they have games. Tapos yung mga games na yon para maka-earn ka ng coins, para sa discount, like free shipping and all that. Now, doon sa Nein app, there's this game called Puppy Keep. Yung Puppy Keep na yon, it's like a game, parang magpapakain ka lang ng aso. Tas parang you will just play it, tas it's really basically pang tanggal bagot lang. And then you will play that game, and then eventually once you finish that game, you'll have a free item. Tas yung free item na yon, ikaw yung mamimili bago ka tawag dito, yung free item na yon, ikaw yung mamimili bago ka mag-start ng game. Tapos based on experience, ang tip ko sa inyo is yung gusto nyong item, like mamili kayo pantalon or damit, ganyan. Mas maganda yung medyo, tawag dito, medyo yung 1K up para worth it yung kasi matagal nyo siyang lalaroin. Mga, I don't know, mga 3 weeks, 1 month, pangtanggal bagot lang. Basically, ganun lang siya kasimple, pangtanggal bagot. Pwede kang walang gastusin, pwede ka rin may gastusin, pero mas masarap yung feeling na wala kang nilabas na pera and then you got a free item. So, yeah. Ang tip ko is, you choose the item first and then i-add to cart nyo siya. Kasi, yung items na pipiliin nyo as price will be coming from your cart. Hindi siya random. So, kung ano yung nasa cart mo, dun ka mamimili. So, yeah. Free shipping. Oo, free shipping. Ano ba? Yes! Kasi, tawag dito, kaya yung na yan, kaya si Claire at saka si Errol, tawag dito, familiar sila sa game. Kasi, I've been doing that game since September last year. And someone asked me during my live stream na naglalaro daw ba ako ng online game. Sabi ko, ang nilalaro ko lang na games ay yung mga nasa apps, nasa shopping apps. And then, nabanggit ko yung Puppy Keep and then they got interested and then, yeah, nilaro nila. So, yun. Anong app? Shein. Shein. Tapos, yeah, if you wanna play, I can give you a code kasi yung code na yon, it's like an invitation. Dagdag points sa akin yun para mas mapabilis nating mapakain yung aso. So if you want, you can DM me. I'll give you the code. Pero if you don't want, you just really wanna try it now, go to Shein. Just search Puppy Keep. As simple as that. Also, ayan si Claire din. Tawag dito si Claire at saka si Errol. Yeah. Kaka-uninstall ko lang pero nilaro ko yun. O yun, di ba? It's really, really good. Akala nyo, like, sobrang bagot ka. Like, magalaan ka lang ng, I don't know, mga 10-15 minutes per day. Depende. Kung meron kasi doon na tawag dito, parang may gagawin ka lang ng mga task. And then, basically, it's just patanggal bagot. And yeah, you'll get the free item. As simple as that. Puppy what? Puppy Keep. Keep. Ilang taon ka na? I'm in my 30s, dear. Saan po makikita yung game? Sa mismong app, dear. Sa mismong app. Go to Shein. Pag nakuha mo na yung free, may free pa ulit. What do you mean loan? You can continue playing. As simple as that. Vanny, nasagot ko na. I'm in my 30s. Lone Explorer, tawag dito, you can continue playing the game. Ako, I'm on my third I'm on my third item. So, parehong pantalon na yung nakaano ko. And then, that was the, tawag dito, the second pair of jeans, yung ano. So, ganun. Ang taray ni Claire. May code si Claire. Nakakatawa. Gets, meron po ulit. Sige, thanks. Yes, meron ulit. Like, you could just keep on playing and playing and playing. Code mo yan. Code ko ba yan? Nakakatawa ka, Claire. Are you open for international franchise? I don't know. Teka, install ko ulit. Yeah, kayo bahala. Tawag ito, it's really just, it's just really a simple game. And then you'll get a free item. Kumbaga yung pagkabagot mo, ilaan mo lang dun sa laro na yon, mga 5, 10, 15 minutes a day. Dear. Ganon. Saya-saya, diba? Ganda-ganda ng pantalon. Swear. Kahit yung first pair of jeans na nakuha ko, maganda rin eh. In fair naman. Wait lang mga beha, ako muna ay back to work. Mananahi ulit tayo. Let's do number 8. Hindi, 1 lang muna. Zigzag. Parang maganda zigzag. Number 2. Number 2, 11. Wait lang mga bea. 1 lang muna. 1. Sige, mag-1 tayo. 0. Okay. Ang dami ko na na-impluwensyahan mo. Totoo ba? Oh my God! Totoo ba? Gusto mo ice cream? Ano yan, Dan? Totoong tanong ba yan? Or ano? Tagal ko nang merong app, ba't di ko po knows? Kasi normally hindi naman talaga natin napapansin yun eh. Well, to me, yun lang yung mahilig kasi ako sa mga ganun eh. Mahilig ako sa mga games from those kind of apps like AliExpress, Shopee, at saka yung sa Lazhay, pati sa Nyiin. Yung mga games doon, yun lang yung lalaro ko kasi hindi ko na kailangan mag-download pa ng games. And basically, it's just for fun. Tanggal bagot. Oo, ganun tayo ka-weirdo. And then eventually, hindi nyo napansin na meron pala siyang magandang benefits like free jeans. So, thank you for the follow. Malapit ko na ipa-install sa mga patients ko. Nakakatawa yun. Nakakatawa pati sa mga pasyente mo, inaano mo. Kailan ka ulit mag-show? I have a show sa Maxiverse. And then I have a show, well, technically it's a show, yeah, but I'll be part of something this February and then I'll have Maxiverse. Sa second item ko sila ipapada. Go. Hello. Pwede po ba kayo sa lactating? Ano yung lactating? Lactating, mommy. Ano yan? Anong klaseng tanong yan? Go, itry nyo na. Yay, Maxiverse. See you when I see you. Go, Errol. See you when I see you. Actually, may rehearsal kami. Sasabihan na lang daw ako kung kailan. Pero yeah, parang next week ata may rehearsal kami for Maxiverse. Okay, tayo muna ay magmahaba. Parang mag-basting stitch lang muna tayo. Parang, should I? Try natin. Hello, Yasi. Happy birthday sa'yo. Teka lang, play tayo ulit. Nanghinayang kasi ako dito sa tinatahi ko kasi it's from Yeti. Regalo siya sa akin ng kaibigan ko. So, parang, alam mo yun, sige pa natin to be, kahit ang laki-laki na niya sa akin. Hello, Yeti kaya to. Ay, ask ko lang po if nagbawas po kayo ng weight. Yeah, I am. Mas sige na, payag ka na bigyan kita ice cream. Ano ba yan? Is that a real like Dan, you could have just simply, send that gift. Ay, nako. Thank you, though. Thank you. Okay. But, uy. Isa ko pala na ko, diba? Pwede mo. Okay. Ganda na mix niya, gago. Pum sa tight sa mga nakakachit. Phone, take a picture of your doctor. Picture it, and girl, they want them. Niya bumita na kachit ang titipit sa drop it. And look it and stop it when the luck kami kumapit. Picture it, snap it, take a photo. Ping before they come, maybe ride it. Ride it like a bike it. Pop up in the sit out when I whine it. It's a so me like it. Ride it like a bike it. Pop up in a sit out when I whine it. Okay, and then we will do a zigzag stitch. Should I do a zigzag stitch or overlap? Parang zigzag. Hindi, mag-straight stitch muna tayo para mabilis. What are your insecurities? Marami, dear. Pero that's something that I'm not gonna tell you. Thank you sa follow. Thank you. Salamat. Ferris, ang tagal ko hindi nag-live ha. Namiss ko mag-live. Parang gusto ko mag-live ulit mamayang gabi. Para na makita nyo na nanahi ako. Hindi yung mukha ko nakikita nyo. Dito kayo sa makina umano. What are you sewing? I am sewing a pair of shorts. Hello? Nina, balitaan nyo na po yung kay Jade. Anong meron kay Jade? Zigzag. Let's do zigzag. Have you seen or heard the newest song? Yes, dear. Aware tayo. So, natapos ko na siya, straight stitch. I can stop here, pero since this is a stretch fabric, I have to do a zigzag para reinforce. So, let's do zigzag. Let's do... Teka lang, luwagan ko ba? Should I? Dadalawang isip. Hindi, wag. Mag-ano lang. Thank you sa follow. Parang gusto kong mag-overlock. Parang overlock. Zigzag overlock. Hindi, zigzag na lang. Okay. How to lock stitch? What do you mean lock stitch? Teka lang, ha? What do you mean by lock stitch? Like a back stitch? Or ano ba? Lock stitch? Ano nga yung lock stitch? Lock stitch is a straight stitch. Lock stitch is a type of stitch na pangkamay. Wait lang, Beha. Okay, we're good. Let's do the other one. Salamat, John Lauchenko. Ang ganda naman ng pangalan, John Lauchenko. Parang ikaw ay nasa mundo ng mga teatro. Parang ang pamilya mo ay nasa mundo ng teatro, Lauchenko. Ano niyo po si Miss Menchu Lauchenko? Nagamit niyo na po yung mga wig sa likod? Yes. The blonde and the gray, nagamit ko siya nung concert nung December. And then yung pink at saka yung ginger, hindi pa. Thank you sa follow. Teka lang ah. Oxygen lang ako guys ha. Nakita nyo ba? Ayan. What? Naubusan ako ng sinukulid! Laro! Ah! Ah! Wait lang, Beha. Wait lang. I'll try to answer you later, you guys. What the fuck is going on? Di natin makita yung butas, be. Wait lang, ha. Uy! Matatapos na lang, ayaw pa makisama. There you go. Expected niyo po ba yung pagkapanalo niyo sa group? No. You should remake design challenge stress. Di worth it, be. 3 taon na yun, be. Sa tingin mo ba, sa 3 taon na nakalipas, bakit gagawin ko pa siya? Hindi ko siya naisip before. Kasi hindi siya worth it. Okay na yun, be. Oo, namiss ko to! Mas kita XG. XG, baby, say the names right. Spell it out. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oo nga pala, buti na lang nagparamdam yung XG. Meron akong album ng XG na kay Corazon. Kukunin ko kay Corazon. Nakalimutan ko. I-message ko pala si Cora, palalo movie yung ano. Oh my God! Na kay Cora. After this, shit. Ay, paano yun? Naka-live ako. Hala. Fuck. Oh my God. Oh my God. Nawala sa isip ko. Na kay Cora nga pala. Oh my God. That would be so cool. Sabi na nga, be. Mali ang tension ng ano. Ito mahirap kapag ano eh. Thank you sa follow. But have you designed or made a dress for another queen? Nope. I only do clothes for myself. Tsaka dear, FYI, ako ay tawag dito, hindi ako designer. Ako ay sastre. Mas matatawag mo akong sastre kaysa sa designer. So, ako ay tawag dito, RTW yung aking forte. Hindi gowns. I did not study in a fashion school. So, yun. Oh, this one! I made this one! Etong sando na to, I made this in 2015. So, basically, ito ay magta 10 years na this year. So, yeah. Wait lang mga beha, let me just finish this. Matatapos na eh. Ngayon ka pa magpapansin tong makina na to ah. Matatapos na eh. Teka lang mga beha. Huwag ka We're almost there, darling. We're almost there. Don't you die on me, bitch. Eh, okay, we're good. Let me check. Naka-number 2 ba ako? Bakit naka-ano lang siya? Ha? Ba't nag-number? I'm on number 2. Sketchy. Wait lang. Well, dead ma? Okay na yan? Puta ina. Problemahin ko siya. Reinforcement lang naman to. Anyway, so, this is the finished product. So basically, this is a cycling shorts from Yeti. So, yeah. Ayan, sinikipan lang natin. So parang ang tawag dito ay darts. So nilagyan lang natin siya ng darts para sumikip siya. So, ayan. And then, yeah, that's it. As simple as that. Ganun lang. Okay, next item. Next item tayo. Nakakatatlo na ako. Basa tayo. Do you have plans entering fashion school? No, dear. I'd rather go to an art school than to a fashion school. Can you show us some of your works? Hindi. Ano bang manggawa ko? Ito nga, suot ko. This one, I made this one. Yeah. Tsaka, this used to be my, this used to be my favorite sando nung bagong gawa siya. Kasi I love this kasi it's breathable. It's, as you can see, it's lycra. Yeah. Tapos makapal siya. So, pwede siyang pang workout, pang swimming, pang everyday. I love it. And the gray one is, hindi siya like trim. Kasi pag binaliktad mo tong black, it's gray. So, I love it. Anyway, yeah. Kaya masarap manahin ng sarili mong damit kasi kapag natuto kang gumawa ng damit, it will last you long. Like this one, mag-iisang dekada na siya sa akin. So, yeah. Hello. Paano ka nagpapayat ni? Nag-diet at nag-workout. Mahirap po ba gumawa ng damit? Hindi, bebe. Hindi mahirap gumawa ng damit, especially kapag meron ka ng patterns. Napakadali. I remember, tawag dito, when I first started sa O-Bar, nung baguhan pa lang ako doon, meron na kasi akong pattern ng bodysuit. I can make a bodysuit in 10 minutes. Literally in 10 minutes. Kasi sobrang dali lang gumawa. Kasi meron na akong pattern. So, ang gagawin ko, tela, lapat mo yung pattern, cut it. So, sa shoulders, sa hem, punja, hem, i-double fold mo lang or kung gusto mo i-Valenciana. Or French seam, done. As simple as that. Yun. Madali, sobrang ano lang siya, tawag dito. It's really easy to make clothes. Ang mahirap is, tawag dito, yung moments na makapag-ganun ka na. Okay na eh. Tas tatastasin mo. Maraming ganung moments. How I wish I have my own sewing machine. Gusto ko din pumanahi ng costume pang gigs. Nickelodeon, ano tawag dito? Second hand tong makina ko. Marami ditong nagbebenta sa TikTok Live na tawag dito mga second hand na portable sewing machines. Tapos yung price nila nag-range from 3,000 ang pinakamura hanggang probably 8 or parang wala pa ako nakikitang naabutan nagbebenta ng 9. Parang 885 ganon. So from 3,000 the cheapest, tas 8,500. Tas magaganda na rin yun. So yeah. And lahat sila Japan quality. So yun nga lang ni Hongo. Pero pag Google Translate mo naman na at saka tawag ito pag lagi mo naman ginagamit yung makina, alam mo na ibig sabihin ng translation. Kasi sa akin naka Japanese character yung mga words. Pero since I've been using this a lot, kabisado ko na siya. Yeah. Mura lang. Tapos ano siya, tawag dito, you'll get the basic information. Kasi ang maganda dito sa mga nag-live stream ng sewing machine, pinapakita nila mismo on how to like galawin yung makina. Kasi may mga sewing machine na basically lahat ng sewing machine madali lang, iisa lang siya eh. Kahit anong brand, kahit anong model, yung basic threading at saka basic threading, yung basic information, it's already there. Nagkakatalo lang sa mga extra features like etong sa akin Singer, ang tawag dito, pipindot ako dito para dumiretso siya, pipindot ako para mag-stop or mag-backstitch. May mga sewing machine na Singer din naman at or ibang brand na di apak. So, yun. Medyo hindi pa siya pang beginner kasi hindi mo makontrol yung apak. Pero, yeah, sanay ako doon. So, yun. Tapos may iba naman na ang backstitch ay binababa. Yung ganun. Ito kasi hindi. Pareho silang dipindot. Pero basically, it's the same. Tapos nagkakatalo lang sa dami ng stitches. Yun. May mga basic stitches lang like 10 basic stitches. Yung iba walang yung iba may mga pangborda. Ito may pangborda daw eh. So, yun. Doon na naman nagkakatalo. Pero, ganun din yun. Lahat ba ng wigs mo binili mo or yung iba binigay? What do you mean? Lahat ng wigs ko binili ko or binigay? Binili ko. Binigay. Parang wala naman nagbigay sa akin ng wig. May nagbigay ba sa akin ng wig? Parang wala naman ako nagbigay. Parang wala, Hindi, ang wig, hindi basta-basta yun, mahal ang wig. Hindi siya, parang mahirap ata. Sino ba, may nagbigay ba sa akin ng wig? Parang wala. May nagregalo, yeah. Pero, hindi ko naman nagamit. Yeah. Nagbigay, thank you sa follow. Okay, what should I do next? What should I do next? Gawin ko na kaya yung tote. Gusto ko gumawa ng tote bag. Tapos, tawag ito. Ibebenta ko siya. Bigla ko lang naisip na tawag dito. Ang dami ko kasi, matagal ko na kasi gusto gumawa ng tote bags. And, kaso, ang problema, ang dami ko ng bags. Like, ang dami kong bags. So, naisip ko, tawag dito, parang one day naisip ko lang, gawa kaya ako ng tote bags, tapos, ibenta ko siya, like yung parang sa mga art fair. Yung alam mo yun, yung mga art fair, yung mga boots, yung parang ganon. Parang sa, tawag dito, sa Ola Escolta, yung mga ganon. Tapos, benta ko kayo. Cute, no? Parang maganda. Parang bet ko yun. Thank you sa follow. Lahat po ba ng damit nyo gawa nyo or bili? Ay, paanong lahat ng damit, dear? define lahat ng damit. Personal or drag? Personal, may ibang gawa ako. May iba, pero most bili ko. Costume, 99% bili. Ay, pagawa. 99% pagawa. Yeah. Meron ako dyang damit na ano lang. Parang 2 o 3 lang na ako yung gumawa. Mga ganon, 3-4. Yeah. And then the rest. So, swap code po. Paano daw? Naka-live ako, be. Isa. Paano? Ha? Sino kaya ang nahikayat natin dyan ngayon na tawag ito, maglaro ng game na yon? Excited ako. Ang ganda-ganda nung pan. Sobrang ganda. Sana marami tayong nahikayat sa ating kulto na maglaro ng Poppy Keep. Sana marami maglaro ng Poppy Keep. Nakuha ko na po sa'yo. Ay, how? Oh, yung kinoment ni Claire. Okay. Magwapa ka po. Salamat. Okay, yeah, next tayo. Alam nyo, hindi ko kasi pwedeng gawin, ipakita tong isa kasi underwear. parang mamaya na lang natin tahiin, nakakahiya. Underwear ko kasi yung mga susunod na tatahiin, parang next time na lang, Bia. Diba? Ang saya kaya manahe. Yung mga underwear mo, ganyan. Yung nasira, yung tawag ito, natastas yung pastis, sinulid sa waistband. Ayun. Yeah. Mamaya na tayo ulit tayo muna ay ako muna magpapahinga. Let's switch. Halikayo, samahan niyo ako magpahinga. Para hindi ako napapagod. Makawat kita. Ano po ibig sabihin yan? Ano po ibig sabihin ng makawat? Sana po hindi siya derogatory word. Paano ka pumayat? Nag-diet lang po at nag-exercise. At hindi po nagparamdam sa mundo for how many months? Ride away, cause we have the right away. Bye, 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 bye. Namiss ko to. Namiss ko XG. Oh my God, excited ako! Excited ako makuha yung album. Kaso paano ko papatugtugin yung album? Wala naman akong CD player. Anong klaseng album ba yun? Lip sync ability tips. Ano yun? Lip sync ability tips? Lip sync ability... What do you mean by lip sync ability tips? Naguluhan ako doon. 48 Laws of Power. Let it go with a big motor on a kid though. Yung left, right, XG din ba yun? Yes. I don't wanna hit you this hard in the intro. Bring that bounce like 6'4". Find me in Tokyo, rapping in a skirt. Woke up looking like this. My skin. Like this. Like this. My skin. Tag it up, graffiti, drop a pin or add it, that's where I go. Rip the show and that's all I know. I'm supervision. Y'all just spit all superstitions. Watch me do. So don't get under my skin. XGALX. And that's it, nigga. Shit, that's it. Damn mother wolf. So don't make fun of my kids. Hello. You can call me Harvey, but I'm not your puppy. C to the OC, oh that's me, Lord have mercy. Young queen but I act like an knee. Young blood but I built like an OG. Gotta look great for the bags. So just woof it. Aha. Nanonood yung isa kong CP. Okay. Hello sa isa mong CP. Hakataw. Jurin Chisa Hinata Harvey Juria Maya Kokona. Ago. Namiss ko ang XG in fairness. Nakakamiss yung songs nila. Masarap, maganda rin pala yung hindi natin siya araw-araw pinapakinggan. Kaya para pag narinig ulit natin, it feels like, you know, I love Nissan. Ano nga ba inaaral ko kay Doechii? Denial is a River at saka Catfish. Yeah. Pati Sunday Peanuts. Was it Sunday Peanuts? Yeah. Magandang Catfish eh. Kaya lang, mahirap kasi aralin yung kay Doechii kasi there are some words na kailangan kong practicein siya na hindi nababanggit. Because, you know, actually, let's play some Doechii. Oh my God, I'm so happy for Doechii. Kanina, may nakita ako sa X na tawag dito, na post na yung mga nanalo ng Grammys kahapon. Charlie XCX, Doechii, Sabrina Carpenter, tsaka si Chappell Roan. Sila yung mga tawag dito, sila yung mga artists na have been working for 10 plus years and who recently just got their flowers. So, parang sabi dun sa post na sobrang emotional yung tawag ito. Sobrang meaningful yung pagkapanalo ng 4 kahapon sa Grammys kasi sila yung 4 na artist na, alam mo yun, na talagang hindi sila sumuko and they've been, you know, basically winging and tawag dito, how do you say this? They are fighting through their artistry for a very long time and yeah, they all won. So yeah. Ang ganda ng Winter Without You, yes. One of my favorite songs.
Wake up, 8 cup, get your tits up in my makeup, Facebook, get your bake up, fake blood, baked up. Wake cup, A cup, get your tits up. In my makeup, face fuck, get your bake up. Fake blood, fake tough, niggas dicks up. Put your sticks up, but a motherfucking princess. Rates up, jigs up, put your dicks up, get your dicks up. Put your motherfucking sticks up. Days up, that's tough, nigga, pay up. Get your rates up, but a motherfucking princess.
我是 Mr. Fiki 看到 niggas 在浪漫，东西过了的那分，把西给哈的的那沙拉，这个这个的这个的那苏南米哈的山，wanna dana Benny Hanna, I'm the new hip hop Madonna, I'm the new hip hop Madonna, I'm the trap Grace Jones, I don't know what type of motherfucking crack they own, I'm the curb brand show with a back brace on. For way too long, I'm a purple stack chips. Oh, beef gets smoked. I'm a real fly bitch, you a coach hoe. I'm a real bite bitch. She was talking on the net, she would approach though. I got this bitch's white face, you a ghost hoe.
You a Dolce stand, stand on the post hole. Suck it up, stand up, say that shit with your chest. You bitches barking over bones, I got digits to fetch. I can't do bitches, I'm too busy, I don't deal with the press. You the type of hoe to leave a broke nigga impressed.
You look a mess so thick at your look of his chest so it's broke ain't cut or fat so stay up, stay walk, stay blessed so you need a wake up, get your tits up in my makeup, face up, get your wake up, fake blood, faked up, niggas dicks up, put your dicks up with a motherfucking princess, rates up, jigs up, put your dicks up, get your dicks up, put your motherfucking sticks up, days up, best stuff, nigga pay up, get your rates up, put the motherfucking money in my motherfucking hands, I'm in Gucci and a bonnet spreading motherfucking hands, I got haters, I got fans, I got stands in the stands. Do they love it or they hate it? Either way, they spend the bands. I can really give a damn. I can really give a fuck. Ah, I love it. Grabe yung breath control niya. Ako nga nahihirapan, nag-lip sync lang eh. Paano kaya siya? Tas grabe yung breath control niya nung live. Pag live, ang galing-galing niya. Sobrang galing niya. I love her. I love her so much. Rates up, chicks up, put your dicks up, get your dicks up, put your motherfucking sticks up, face up, that stuff, nigga pay up, get your rates up, put a motherfucking princess. Tapos na kayo manahe. Later na, kasi underwear yun eh. Tsaka yun, oo, wag nyo na lang. That's something na hindi nyo na dapat pakita. Paano nyo po na memorize agad yung song pag nag-lip sync? Memorizing is, paano ba? Sige, ano talo? Let me answer that. So, memorizing is not that hard for me. Mabilis ako magkabisa eh. I mean, nung estudyante pa lang ako, mabilis ako magkabisa. Pero memorizing is one thing, understanding the song is another thing. So, madaling magkabisa, yung pag-intindi ng kanta ang mas importante at mas mahirap. So, yeah. Hindi ko masasagot kung paano ko agad na memorize. I just memorize it. Paano ko ba sasagutin yung tanong na yan? Paano nga ba? Ulit-ulitin ko lang. Hindi ko alam. Parang hirap naman sagutin yan, be. Memorize mo Abracadabra ni Lady Gaga me. Hindi. Hindi ko naman siya, parang hindi ko naman siya inisip na i-memorize. Oo. Appreciate ko lang yung kanta. Yeah. It's a good song. And it's a good song and it's the Lady Gaga that a lot of people miss. Like, ang daming na kami sa, sa Lady Gaga na yon. So, yeah. Tsaka ang grabe si Paris. One day, makakatrabaho ko rin si Paris Goebel. Isa yan sa mga, sa mga tawag ito, mga suntok sa buwan na pangarap natin na makatrabaho ko si Paris Goebel. One day, I will. I manifest natin yan. Thank you sa follow. Actually, itong Denial sa River maganda. Kaya lang ang mahirap kasi sa Denial sa River, it's referential, so tapos maraming N-word. So, kailangan natin maghanap ng kanta, version na walang, na tawag ito, na hindi explicit. Thank you, Justin. Thank you sa follow. Ayan, sakto. Nasa ano ko, nasa feed ko ang Abracadabra. Ayan, let's play it.
The category is dance or time.
Bakla, makasama lang ako dyan. Shit, nakalimutan ko tong dancer na to eh. Yung isang dancer dyan, wait lang ha. Yung isang dancer dito, I forgot his name, pero he won So You Think You Can Dance Australia. I forgot his name. LA based na siya, I forgot his name. Pero ano siya, he won So You Think You Can Dance Australia nung season na kasali siya. Tapos, he also, siya bang nanalo rin sa ano? I forgot his name. Anyway. Yeah. Yung, basta yung ano, yung tawag dito, yung, siya yung, nagpe-perform habang yung second verse, si Lady Gaga nakatayo lang gumaganyan. Tapos he's the blonde guy na topless na nag-aerial at saka nagpipiruet. He's really really good. I forgot his name. At saka si Honey, nandito si Honey Balenciaga, girl. Wala. Oh, ang galing ni Honey. I love Honey. It's not, alam nyo, hindi ako kay ano eh, hindi ako kay Lady Gaga na ano sa mga dancers eh. I mean, given na kasi si Lady Gaga te, pero yung mga dancers, uta. Ago. Ah! Wala. Ito, I forgot his name. Si Cory, oh. Royal family. Royal family. Damn. Dito ba si Linjing? Iba kasi mukha nila dito eh. Hindi ko alam kung nandito si ano. Andito ba si? Gumanon. Nakakatawa yung gumanon ako. Hinahanap. Ang galing ni Paris. It's the choreography for me. It's the choreography for me. So good. So good. Ay, extended version! Wow! That's cool! Bakla, ang galing. Galing ni Mama. Galing ni Mama! Nakakalaw ka. Ang galing-galing niya. Ang galing-galing niya. Ang galing niya. So good. So good. Anyway. Baka alam ko may patingin. Ay, bebe, hindi ko kasi pwede ipakita yung... Hindi ko pwedeng ipan yung TV. Kasi one of the reasons why nare-restrict yung live stream ko was because you're showing something on television. So, it's like a third-party streaming. So, that's not allowed here on TikTok. So, unfortunately. Thank you, Satire. Is it Satire? Sinong dancer ma? Baka alam ko na yung... Hindi ko nga alam kung sino eh, di ba? I forgot his name nga eh. Hindi ko nga maano eh. Pero, yeah, I forgot it. Wait, I think I know how to search his name here. So you think you can dance Australia? So you think you can dance Australia winner? Wait lang. Michael Dameski. Michael Dameski. Michael Dameski. There. Michael Dameski. He also won World of Dance as far as I know. Tama ba? He also won World of Dance. Yeah, he also won World of Dance. Michael Dameski. Galing-galing niya. Aldrich, anong meron sa Sigma? Bakit comment ka ng comment ng Sigma? Anong meron doon? Thank you, Sir Rose. Busog na busog ang sangkabaklaan. I know. Ako, I'm just so happy that, tawag dito, if you would to really like, kung mapapansin nyo yung music industry now, I mean the artists now na nagbo-boom, tawag dito, majority of them, malakas ang, tawag dito, majority of them, they boom because of people. Not because, alam mo yon, not because they have, hindi ko alam kung nag-gets yung ibig ko sabihin eh. Maraming artists ngayon ang majorly why they got like they skyrocketed was because of the people. what I mean by that is like yung, parang sa TikTok, yung bigla silang nag-skyrocket, if that makes sense. Nag-gets ba ako doon? Hindi katulad ng, for example, hindi katulad ng, paano, kayo na ko ba yan, ano? Hindi, yon. For example, like Britney, like, si Britney, nung panahon namin, at saka si Christina Aguilera, like, A1, NSYNC, basta lumabas, basta may bagong kanta from them, parang automatic na we really gotta listen to that. Kasi it's Britney. Nagets niyo ako? It's Britney. But now, mas nauunang sumikat yung song before the artist. Like Doechii. Isang malaking example si Doechii. Ang daming palang hindi nakakaalam na yung What It Is na nag-viral sa TikTok, si Doechii kaya ang it's from Doechii. Like masyado lang pong na-hype. Well, isa rin yon. That's also true na because of the fans, mabilis at tawag ito, siguro, I guess yun yung parang ano siya, how do I say this? It's like a double-edged sword na yung isang side is the good thing, yung isang side is the consumerism bad thing, na wala kang choice kasi it was hyped. And because it was hyped so much, you can't help but hear it everywhere, if that makes sense. Nagets niyo yun? Pero yun nga, like what I said earlier, isang malaking example si Doechii. Ang dami palang hindi nakakaalam na ang kumanta ng What It Is ay si Doechii. Akala nila si SZA. What it is, ho, what's up? It was Doechii. Alam mo yan? Pero hindi siya sumikat. It's the song. So, yeah. Pero going back, that's what I love about the music industry now is that it's, kumbaga hindi sila untouchable, if that makes sense. Hindi sila untouchable. Like, people has, alam mo yun, kumbaga the consumers or the listeners now has the ability to like, you know, no. Alam mo yun, or yes, fuck yes. Alam mo yun, if that makes sense. Hindi katulad apparently a lot of people I thought it was SZA too. Hindi. Thoughts, Taylor Swift? Taylor Swift? Anong dapat kong i-thoughts kay Taylor Swift? What do you mean? Is there something to talk about Taylor Swift as regards to the topic that I am talking about? Not winning any po. That's, I mean, in as much as you know, in as much as people would want to win their bets, you know, in as much as people would want to win their idols, wala naman tayong magagawa kapag hindi sila in-announce, di ba? Parang the best thing we can do is just be happy for the winners. And yeah, at saka tawag dito, Taylor Swift herself was very, very happy and she was dancing. She was vibing all throughout the night. Parang hindi ko alam kung anong mahal na mahal ata ng camera at ng mahal na mahal ng director ang si Taylor Swift kasi every time parang ang daming panning kay Taylor Swift every time na someone wins. And I don't think that that's in a shady sense, but more so because Taylor Swift was very, very well known to Dear, I'm too old for that issue. I'm sorry. I mean, it might be an issue like something big for you, but for me, it's something that I don't really give a fuck. Sino po nirurut nyo to win last Grammy? Hindi ako ganun ka Hindi ako ganun ka diehard sa mga artists. Alam niyo yun, hindi ako like I mean, I love Lizzo, I love Beyonce, Renaissance, of course. Pero at the same time, I'm not gonna be mad if they lose sa category na nominated sila, if that makes sense. Or like, of course, I want them to win, pero at the same time, if they didn't win, that's totally fine with me. Kasi definitely, there's a reason why the winner win. Yeah. Taylor Swift was so happy for Beyonce. Billie also. Yung fans lang nila ang hindi happy for Beyonce. Yeah. Ganun naman talaga eh. Thoughts on Beyonce winning the Grammy? Well, finally, Beyonce won tawag ito, Album of the Year, finally. So, it's nice. Issue ng mga kids, yeah. Beyonce pa din sinisisi nila kahit may nanalo na. Alam niyo guys, fandom sometimes, in as much as it's nice to have a fandom, you also know that fandoms are very toxic. You all know that. I mean, it's okay that you are protecting your, tawag ito, the artist that you idolize. Pero sana not to the extent that you're gonna like put people down or say negative towards other artists just because your favorite artist didn't win. Because that's not being a fan. That's being a toxic person na pinoproject mo lang sa pagiging fan mo ng artist na to. If that makes sense. Thank you sa gift. Hello. Yes, may grado po ang mata ko. Wait lang. Grado po ang mata ko. Wait lang, time check. 6:10. Ang oras po natin ngayon ay 6:10 ng gabi. Oras, hatid sa inyo ng True, ang daming toxic sa earth. Yeah, that's why tawag dito, wala akong kapag may umaakyat dito na nagtatanong anong thoughts ko sa ganito, alam ko na daw ba yung gantong issue, gantong ganyan. Lagi ko sagot, hindi ko po alam. Kasi wala akong pake. I stay away from negativities. I mean, I have an idea to the big issues of the world, but at the same time, I try to stay away from negativities. Like I don't like, paano ba? I don't deal with them much because Sa mundo na puro negatibo ang nasa paligid natin, kailangan natin protektahan ang ating peace of mind. Yun. Pero hindi naman tayo die hard. I mean, I love them but not to the extent na you're my inspiration sa pag-workout ko. Thank you, Kirby. I appreciate that. Though hindi naman ako nagpo-post ng anything pag-workout. Parang wala naman, bae. Pero kung akong nag-inspirasyon mo, edi thank you. Yes, ma, like yung mga Fanny Scasta. Yes! Di ba kinover ni Maxi yung Diyosa noon, binabash nila. I saw the thread. Alam mo yun, parang mema na lang. Just, they will try to put Maxi down in a sense na walang kinalaman sa music. Inataka yung pagiging bakla niya. Wala namang kinalaman niya sa kanta. Diba? Toxic people. It's, ano yun tawag dito. Tapos kung mababasa niyo yung mga thread, lumalabas doon na most of the negative comments there are just people who are just toxic and they are just projecting their hate kay Maxi. Pero it's you will obviously see that it's just a hateful person. And they're just projecting their hate kay Maxi. Ginamit lang nila yung issue, pero basically they're just hateful people. Salamat, Dan. Marami na po labahan niyo. Oh my God, ST, nakakaloka ka. Nakakaloka ka, ST. Labahin pa rin. Alam mo, ST, kahit ikaw, bihira ka pumasok sa live ko, hindi kita makakalimutan. Promise. Kahit walang picture yung profile mo, hindi kita makakalimutan. Kasi tuwing papasok ka, yan lang naman ang itatanong mo, tapos exit ka na. Fairness sa'yo. Hello, sis. Yeah, it's been a while. Pero to answer your question, ST, oo, medyo marami na tayong labahin. Hinihintay ko lang, hindi kasi natuloy yung helper ko dumating today, so hindi nakapaglinis ng bahay. Bukas na lang. So, bukas ako maglalaba. Anyway, yeah. Tawag dito, guys, mag-end muna ako ng live. Mamaya na lang ulit ako mag-live kasi nga kailangan ko munang kunin yung regalo. Okay, so may kailangan ko munang gamitin ng Lala Move. Ang serbisyo ng Lala Move kay Corazon, kukunin ko muna yung pinadala sa akin. So, having said that, ako muna ay exit. Balik na lang ulit ako mamaya, okay? Patrick sa Max